Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to increase font size in Google Forms. To adjust the font size, open your Google form and click the paint icon. This is also called the Customize Theme option. You will see options such as header, question, and text. The header controls the form title. The question controls the actual questions and text controls other content. Let's say you want to increase the font size of the title. Go to header and select a font size. As you can see, this one is already maxed out. If the font size is smaller, click the drop down and set it to maximum. You can do the same for questions by selecting a size you prefer. The font size has now been successfully increased. You can also change the font style by clicking the drop-down and choosing any style you like. As you can see, the font style has been updated, and scroll down to choose a background color and pick one that suits your form. That's it. Increasing font size is helpful for long forms, quizzes, or surveys. It ensures questions and instructions are clear for all users. Using the theme options in Google Forms, you can adjust font size and style easily. This improves readability, accessibility, and overall engagement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.